My mother was a tailor. Swim my new blue jeans. My father, he was a gambling man down in New Orleans.
Ano yung mga bossing, kukulangan lang ako dyan sa surround. Mas ano kasi, mas nagbibigay ng buhay. Oh, pero okay naman. Pero mas maganda yan pag kagaya yung JBL 161 natin. So AC 2005 yan. Hindi lang tayo pang battle mix. Magandang quality ng tunog mo talaga. Panalo at sulit itong amplifier natin. Siyempre, dapat paparisan nyo rin yan ng speaker.
Tell you the truth.